Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 279. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 5. 1 here, so 5, 7. 5 here, so 1, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 5. 1 here, so 5, 9. And no help here, 1, 5, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 9. 3 and 9 here makes this our 5. That makes this our 9, 3. We can get rid of this 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 7, 6. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. And that 7 makes this our 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 8. No help here, 2, 7, 8. 7 here, so 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 8. And no help here, 2, 3, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 8. 8 here, so 6, 7. Now if we look at that row, the only place the 6 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 8, 5. That 8 makes this our 7. We can get rid of this 7. For this column now, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, so 2, 8. So if we look, the only place the 5 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. That 2 makes us our 8, 2, 8, 3, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, or 1, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this row now, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. And to finish off this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.